Okay, students, today I want to start question number 5 of exercise 1.5. Okay, what is given in this question? Rationalize the denominator and the following. Some questions are there, 4 questions are there. We are going to rationalize them. Okay, one more question written on the board. Find the value of a and b. If a plus root 3 upon a minus root 3 is equal to a plus b root 3. I want to solve this question also. I want to use same method. I want to rationalize this question. Okay, rationalize the denominator. After doing rationalize its denominator, I want to find the value of a and b from this question. First, I am going to tell how you. Okay, I request all the students, please open your camera. So many students are there whose camera is still off. Sanchit, ninth awesome, open your camera, beta. Sanchit, Vaishnavi Gupta. So many students are there. Sanpreet Kaur, open your camera, beta. Sanpreet, ninth Florence, open your camera, beta. Arnoor Kaur, open your camera, beta. Arnoor, are you getting my voice? Open your camera, beta. Let me check. Okay. Dimple ma'am, I have unmute you.
Okay, sir.
Are you
Okay.
getting?
Yes.
Ma'am, board is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, student, now see on the board. I want to start this question number 5. Before starting this question, I want to revise some formula. I want to write some identities. A square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a minus b and a plus b. Okay? And a plus b whole square can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab. And if it is a minus b whole square, it can be written as a square plus b square minus 2ab. I want to use this three identity again in this question. Now see what is given in the first question. Question number 5. Rationalize the denominator. 1 is numerator and 2 7 is its denominator. I want to rationalize this. If there is only single number, then you have to write given number again. I write this number again. If there is single number, you have to multiply and divide the same number. It means root 7 is there. I want to multiply the given number by root 7 and divide also by root 7. Now see, I want to multiply these two. Root 7 into 1 become root 7 and root 7 into root 7 is become root 7 square. Now this is going to cancel. So answer become root 7 upon 7. This is the answer of first part of the question. When single number is there, you have to multiply and divide it by the same number. In this question, root 7 is there. So I want to multiply this number by root 7 and multiply this number by root 7. Now see, when I multiply 1 by root 7, this becomes same. Root 7 and root 7 square. This square is going to cancel it. Answer become root 7 upon 7. This is the answer of first part. Now I want to rationalize this. I want to write this question again. Now, in its denominator, what is given? Root 7 minus 6. I want to rationalize the denominator. When I am going to multiply and divide, if negative sign is there, it means I want to multiply a given number by positive number. I want to change the sign. If negative number is there, then I want to multiply it by positive number. Number will remain same. I am going to change the sign only. Okay, number will remain same. I am going to change the sign. If negative sign is there, it means I want to multiply it by positive sign. If positive sign is there, then I am going to multiply it by negative sign. Okay, number will going to remain same. I multiply this number by root 7 plus root 6 and also divide the same number, root 7 by 6. Now I want to multiply the numerator. When I multiply this number by 1, this is going to remain same. Because when we multiply any number by 1, answer becomes same. Now see what is given. Root 7 minus 6, root 7 plus 6. I want to use the identity a minus b, a plus b can be written as a square minus b square. So what is a in this question? Root 7. What is b? Root 6. So this can be written as root 7 square minus root 6 square by using this identity. I take a as root 7 and b as root 6. So this become a minus b and this become a plus b. Identity of a minus b, a plus b is a square minus b square. A is root 7. So this become root 7 square. What is b? Root 6. So I write root 6 square. Now this is going to cancel. This is going to cancel. Okay. What is left? Root 7 plus root 6 upon 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. So final answer is root 7 plus root 6. This is the answer of second part of the question. Okay. I hope it is clear. If you have any doubt, better send me message. Otherwise, I am going to solve the second part, third part of this question. Send me message better. If you have any doubt in this question, send me message fast. Okay, beta. Utkarsh, I will explain again. Okay, Utkarsh, question number 4 you want to explain. Okay, in the remaining time I want to explain. Utkarsh. Okay, beta. Now, any problem? Abhinav. Abhinav, I can mute you. Abhinav. Where is Abhinav? Yes. Shriya want to ask something. Yes, Shriya, I want to. Where is Shriya? Yes, Shriya, I have unmuted you. Shriya,
Good morning, sir.
beta, tell me what's problem.
Sir, once explain from there in the second part only when you have applied the identity.
Okay, beta. I want to explain again. See on the board, beta. First, I want to rationalize. If number is, I want to rationalize the denominator. What is written in the denominator? Root 7 minus root 6. Okay, beta. Here, when negative sign is there, it means we have to multiply the given number by the positive number. I want to change the sign only. The number will remain same. I want to change the sign. When I change the sign, this become positive. So I want to multiply this number root 7 plus root 6 and also divide by root 7 plus root 6. Now I want to multiply this. Numerator is going to multiply numerator and denominator is going to multiply denominator. When I multiply this bracket 7 plus root 6 by 1, then it's going to remain same. Because when we multiply any number by 1, it is going to remain same. If I multiply a by 1, answer is a. 2 multiply 1, answer becomes 2. Same way, when I multiply this bracket by 1, answer becomes same. Root 7 plus root 6. Now in the denominator, two numbers are there. Root 7 minus 6 and root 7 plus 6. I want to use identity, this identity, a minus b. Only difference in the sign. Both the numbers are same, difference in their sign. That when numbers will remain same and sign are different, then I'm going to use the identity a minus b, a plus b. The identity is a square minus b square. Now what is a? Root 7. So I write right here root 7 square. After that minus sign is there. I write minus b square. What is b? 6. I write root 6. This is cancel square roots. There is cancel square root. What is that? 7 minus 6. So I write in the denominator 7 minus 6. What is the result of 7 minus 6? 1. So this is the answer. So here is it clear now? Yeah. Is it clear, beta? Here I have unmuted beta. Is it clear? Okay. So I want to solve next question. Okay, beta. I want to solve this. See what is given. 1 upon root 5 plus root 2. Now I want to rationalize this. Now, which sign is there? Positive sign is there. It means I want to multiply and divide by the negative sign. Number will remain same. I want to change the sign between them. Between them, positive sign is there. It means I want to rationalize it by negative sign. Now see, again, I want to multiply this bracket by 1. So result will be same. When I multiply any number by 1, result is going to same. So this is going to remain same. Again, I want to add identity. A plus b, a minus b. See, I write here a minus b, a plus b. Become a square minus b square. What is a here? Root 5. So I write here root 5 square minus root 2 square. See, numerator going to remain same. This square is cancelled with square. This square is cancelled with square. What is that? 5 minus 2. And 5 minus 2 is 3. So answer become root 5 minus root 2 of 3. This is the answer of third part of the question. Okay. I want to solve this part. This number 4 part I want to solve. What is written? 1 upon root 7 minus root 2. 1 upon root 7 minus root 2. I want to rationalize the denominator. In denominator, what is written? Root 7 minus root 2. Negative sign is there. It means I want to multiply and divide it by positive sign. So right here, root 7 plus 2. Root 7 plus 2 and root 7 plus 2. Root 7 plus 2. Now see, again, this bracket is going to multiply 1. So it will remain same. So it will remain same. Now, in denominator, see, a minus b, a plus b. Both numbers are same, but sign are different. So I want to use this identity again. A minus b, a plus b is a square minus b square. What is a? Root 7. So write root 7 square. What is b? 2. So write here 2 square. Now, numerator going to remain same. I write same. Square is cancelled with square root. And cancel the square root. What is left? 7. Square of 2 is 4. And 7 minus 4 is 3. So answer become root 7 plus root 2. This is the answer of fourth part of the question. Okay, beta. I hope it is clear to all. Still you have any doubt in any question, send me message. Otherwise, I am going to solve next question. I have written already on the board. Here I have unmuted, beta.
Yes, sir.
Doubt?
No, sir. No doubt.
Chuk Chawla. I have unmuted. Chuk Chawla.
Good morning, sir.
Any doubt in this question, beta?
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay, beta. So next question. See on the board. One question I have already written on the board. I want to solve this question. There is no difference in this question. Only we have to find the value of a and b in this question. After rationalize the denominator. See. What is the question? Find the value of a and b. In this question, I want to find the value of a and b. If 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3 is equal to a plus b root 3. This is the question. Okay. I want to solve the left hand side of this question. So right here, left hand side, 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3. Okay, this is the left hand side of this question. I'm going to solve this. I want to rationalize the denominator. What is written in the denominator? 2 minus root 3. I want to rationalize the denominator. Negative sign is there. It means I want to multiply and divide it by the positive sign. So this becomes 2 plus root 3 upon 2 plus root 3. I want to multiply same number, multiply and divide 2 plus root 3. Okay, clear? Now see what is going. Now see what is in the numerator. What is written in the numerator? 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3. Both the numbers having same. So I want to use this identity. A raised to power m, a raised to power n. When both the number having same base, then they are going to add. When both the number having same base, then their power must be added. So answer become a raised to power m plus n. If I write here x square into x cube, what will be the answer? The answer is 2 plus 3. Because base is same and base is same, power must be added. 2 plus 3 become 5. So answer become 5. This is the reason. I write x square into x cube as x power. Okay. Now see, both having same base. 2 plus root 3, 2 plus root 3. What is the power of this bracket? 1. What is the power of this bracket? 1. Since base is same, so I want to use this formula. When base are same, their power added. So what is the base? What is the base of this question? 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3 is the base. So I want to add the power. 1 plus 1 becomes 2. So this becomes 2 plus root 3 whole square. Now see again. I want to use identity. A minus b, a plus b. You know that a minus b, a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So what is a here? 2. So write here 2 and its square. What is b? Root 3. So write here root 3 square. Okay. Now I want to use identity in this part. In the numerator, I want to use identity. Which identity? I write here a plus b whole square because positive sign is there. So identity of a plus b square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, I want to open this bracket by using this identity. So what is A? A square plus B square plus 2A into B. This is A and this is B. A square B square plus 2AB. And in denominator, square of 2 is 4. This square is cancelled with square root. So this becomes 3. Now see, again square of 2 is 4. I write 4. After that, this square is going to cancel with this. What is left? 3. Now I want to multiply this. 2 2s are 4. And this is number in root. So this become like this. So result become 2 2s are 4. 4 into root 3 become 4 root 3. And its denominator 4 minus 3 is 1. Now see, 4 plus 3 is 7. And 4 plus root 3 is equal to 1. This is the solution of this question. Now this solution is given is equal to A plus B root 3. So I want to write the right hand side again. Right here A plus B root 3. Now I am going to compare. I want to compare both the sides. Now see, A is equal to 7. A is equal to 7. When I cancel this root 3 with root 3, what is left? From right side I left B, from right side I left B, from left I left 4. So answer become B equal to 4, A equal to 7. After comparing these two sides, A becomes 7. After cancelling root 3 with root 3, it becomes 4. This is the answer of this question. Okay, in this way you can solve other questions also. Clear, beta? If you have any doubt, send me message. Otherwise, I'm going to solve next exercise, last exercise of this chapter. Sir, please repeat from the identity. Sanpreet. Okay, beta, I'm going to repeat this from the identity.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, sir, here is Robin Chaudhary. Who is this?
Romi Chaudhary.
Robin Chaudhary. Who is this? Sir, send him in waiting room.
Okay, ma'am. Romi Chaudhary, ma'am.
Robin Chaudhary. Yes, yes, sir.
Robin Chaudhary. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Done. Any other student, ma'am?
No, sir. Sir, camera off. Many students camera off.
Okay, I request all the students, beta, please open your camera. Still so many students are there whose camera is off. So many students are there, beta. Open your camera. I want to repeat, beta. Okay, Shubhjala. Okay. Now see, I want to repeat this. See, once I want to repeat, then I want to ask you. See on the board. I want to repeat this question again. I remove all the questions. Now see, I want to solve this question again. Now see what is Q1. I take left hand side of this.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
Nikhil. Sir, here is Nikhil. Two IDs are there of same name, same standard. 9th Blossom Nikhil.
Yes. There are two. One is gone.
One is gone. No. Okay, sir.
Now I want to repeat this question again. See, I take left hand side of this question. Now I want to rationalize this. See what is written in the denominator. 2 plus minus root 3 is written. So when I want to rationalize, I am going to change the sign. So this becomes 2 plus root 3 upon 2 plus root. Okay. What is the next step? I want to multiply these two. Numerator is going to multiply numerator and numerator going to multiply numerator. Simple method is there. Numerator is going to multiply with numerator and denominator is going to multiply denominator. I want to multiply its denominator first. See what is written. 2 plus root 3.
Sir, mic is off. Joginder sir, voice is not audible.
Okay, now I want to multiply the denominator. Since both numbers are same, and you know that x into x. What is the answer? X into x. power 1, this become x square. In the same way, this become 2 plus root 3 square. When base is same, powers be added. Base of both the terms are same and power is 1. So this becomes 2 plus root 3 and its square. Now I want to use the identity. Identity I want to use a plus b whole square. Identity is a square plus b square plus 2ab. I want to use this identity in the numerator. So I write here a square. What is a? 2. I write 2 square. After that b square. What is b? Root 3 square. After that 2 into root 3. I expand a square b square plus ab. Now square of 2 is 4. This square is going to cancel with this. So this is 3. Now again square of 2 is 4. This square is going to cancel with this 3 left. Now I want to multiply these 3 terms. 2 to the 4. 4 into root 3 become 4 root 3 because root number is going to multiply with only root. These are 2 without root. So I want to multiply these 2. 2 into 2 become 4. And this number is in roots. So this, and I multiply 4 by root 3. So this is like this. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now 4 plus 3 is 7. After that 4 root 3 is 1. This is the final answer. This is the answer of this left side. Now this left side is given equal to a plus b root 3. So I am to write this value in front of this number. When I write this value in front of this number, I want to compare. Now I want to compare. See, this root is cancel with root 3. When I cancel root 3 with root 3, what is left from right side? B is left. From right side, what is left? 4. So it means B become 4. After cancelling this, what is left from right side? A. So right here A. From left side, what is left? 7. So A becomes 7 and B become 4. This is the answer of this question. I hope now it is clear. Okay. Send me a message, beta, if you have any doubt. Otherwise, I want to start next exercise. Okay. Clear. Okay, Shia, I got your message. Okay, clear. Now, see on the board. I want to start actually the 1.6. This is the last exercise of this chapter. So starting this exercise, I want to explain some exponent rules on the board. Very carefully. I want to use each and every rule in this question. In the questions of exercise 1.6. So I change the exercise. Now I want to for exercise 1.6. See, some rules are going to write. Laws of exponent. Now I want to explain. First rule, a raised to power m into a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m plus n. When base are same and multiplication sign is between them, then answer become a power m plus n. Second rule, a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n. So this can be written as like this, a upon n, a upon n. So answer become, when division sign is there and base is same, so answer become m minus n. A raised to power m minus n. Third rule, a raised to power m and its power is n. Then the answer becomes a raised to power m into n. These two powers exponent are going to multiply. Answer becomes a raised to power m into n. I want to multiply these two terms. Now next, a raised to power m and b raised to power n. Now base are different and base are different, but their power is same. Then answer becomes a into b and its power m. See, I want to repeat again. Now in this question, base are different, but power are same. Then base are different and power are same, then can be written a into b power n. Clear? A raised to power minus m written as a upon a raised to power n. When I reciprocal this number, then this power going to convert in positive side. In numerator, here a raised to power is minus m. When I take the reciprocal of this number, one become in the numerator and this going to become in denominator. When I reciprocal of this number, this become 1 upon a raised to power m. Power going to change. Negative number become positive and it is positive, then it become negative. If it's written in the like this in this way, I want to take the reciprocal of this number, then it become 1 upon a raised to power minus n. Power must be changed when we reciprocal the number. Here And the last, any number having its power 0 is equal to 1. Any number having its power 0 is equal to 1. I want to use these identities to solve exercise 1.6. Now I want to start question. First, see what is given in first question. See on the board, beta. What is given in the first question? In first question, it is given find. We have to find the values. First question is 64 power 1 by 2. 32
Amrit, Amrit,
power 1 by 5. 125 power 1 by 3. Now see on the board. I want to solve this question. Yes, ma'am?
sir, he has come back. Amrit, what were you doing? Sit properly, bache.
Okay, ma'am. Now beta see on the board. I want to solve its first part. First, I want to make the factor of the given number. I want to make the factor of 64. I write here 64. I start making the factor. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, and 2 1s are 2. Okay? 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and last 2 1s are 2. So check how many times 2 come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this 32 can be written as 2 raised to power. This 64 can be written as 2 raised to power 6. I make the factor of 64. When I make the factor of 64, 2 comes 6 times. So this 64 can be written as 2 raised to power 6. Clear? Now I want to solve. After writing 64 as 2 raised to power 6, what is written? 1 by 2. Now I want to use this identity. I want to use this identity. See here, a raised to power m become a raised to power m into n. So write the identity. A raised to power m into n become a raised to power m into. After writing this identity, I want to solve. 2 raised to power 6 into 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Answer become 2 raised to power 3. 2 raised to power 3 is 2 into 2 into 2. Answer become 8. 8 is the answer. Okay. Now I want to solve this. Here written 32. I want to make the factor of 32 first. Starting with 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. Now see, how many times 2 come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 comes 5 times. So this 32 can be right. So this 32 can be written as 2 raised to power 5. I write 32 to raised to power 5, and again power is 1 by 5. Again, same identity I want to use. A power m into n become n. A raised to power m into n. So this become 2 raised to power 5 into 1 by 5. This 5 is cancelled with 5. What is left? 2 raised to power 1. So answer become 2. Answer become 2. Now I want to solve this last part. 125 is written. I want to make the factor with this 125. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. Now this 125 can be written as 1, 2, 3. 5 raised to power 3. I want to write this 125 as 5 raised to power 3, and its power is 1 by 3. Again 20. Same identity I am to use. A raised to power m into n become n a power m into n. So what is a? 5. What is m? 3. What is n? 1 by 3. So this is going to cancel. What is left? 5 raised to power 1. So your answer is 5. Okay. I hope it is clear to all. First question is clear. If you have any doubt, send me message. Otherwise, I need to solve second question. Send me message better fast. Again, in question number 1. Okay, beta, I want to explain in question number 1. See what is written in question number 1. It is 64 power 1 by 2. I want to convert this number in the exponent form. When I want to convert this number in the exponent form, I make the factor of this number. When I make the factor of this number, this becomes 2 raised to power 6. 64 can be written as 2 raised to power 6, and its power is 1 by 2. Now I want to use this identity. A raised to power into m. This becomes m into n. This is your m, this is your n, and this is your a. A going to remain same. What is m? 6. What is n? 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Answer become 2 raised to power 3. 2 raised to power 3 can be written as 3 times. When I write 2 3 times, the answer become 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. This is the answer. I hope it is clear now. Clear? Send me message if it is clear. Okay, Shri, I'm going to unmute. Wait. Shri, I have unmute you better. Ask.
Sir, I want to ask in this first question where you have written 64 is equal to 2 raised to power 6. So can we write it as 8 raised to power 2?
But 8 raised to power 2 is also okay, beta. If you write 8 raised to power 2, then it becomes 1 by 2. This is going to cancel. Answer is 8. Okay, it's also okay. It is also
Okay, okay, sir.
okay. It's depend upon. Okay, beta.
Okay, sir.
Now I want to solve next question. Question number 2. See what is given in this question. Question number 2. 9 raised to power. First question. First question is 9 raised to power 3 by 2. Second question 32 raised to power 2 by 5. And third question 16 raised to power 3 by 4. And one more part is there. Fifth part 125 raised to power minus 1 by 5. Now see on the board. How are we going to solve these parts? First, I want to make factors of the given number. When I make factor of 9, so factor of 9 becomes 3 raised to power 2. And this is given 3 raised to power 2 again. Now again, same identity I want to use. A raised to power m into n. This can be written as m into n. Okay? Same identity I want to use this. So what is A? 3. What is m? 2. What is n? 3 by 2. After writing this 2 is going to cancel with 2. What is left? 3 raised to power 3. 3 raised to power 3 means I want to write 3 times. When I write 3 times, answer becomes 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. This is the answer of first part. Okay, beta? Now I want to solve this part. Second part. As you know, 30 can be written as 2 raised to power 5 and its power is 2 by 5. Now, same identity I am going to use. What is A? 2. So I write here 2. What is M? M is 5. I write here 5. What is N? N is 2 by 5. So I write 2 by 5. This 5 is going to cancel with 5. What is left? 2 raised to power 2. Now I want to write 2 raised to power 2. I want to write 2 times. So when I write 2 power 2, to become 2 times 2 to the 4. This is the answer. This is the answer of this question. I want to solve this part. Here written 16. 16 means 2 raised to power 4. When you expand 16, then the answer becomes 2 raised to power 4. And its power is given 3 by 4. Now, what is A? 2. What is M? M is 4. So right here, M. What is N? 3 by 4. This is going to cancel with 4 is going to cancel with 4. What is left? 2 raised to power 3. 2 raised to power 3 is 8. When you write 2 3 times, answer becomes 8. Now I want to solve last part. What is given? 125. 125 given written in the form 5 raised to power 3. When you expand 125 like this, starting with 5, 5 2 is 25, 5 5 is 25, and 5 in the 5. 5 comes 3 times. So right, 125, 5 raised to power 3. What is it? What is given in its power? Let me check. It is minus 1 by 3. Yes, it is minus 1 by 3. Better. So I write here minus 1 by 3. Now I want to use same identity. What is A? 5. I write 5. What is M? M is 3. I write 3. Now I want to multiply it by N. What is N? Minus 1 by 3. This 3 is going to cancel with 3. What is left? 5 raised to power minus 1. See, I want to use this identity. See, what is given? If it is A raised to power minus M, this can be written in the form 1 upon A raised to power M. I want to write this number like this. 1 upon 5 raised to power means 1 by 5 is the answer. Okay? I use this identity. A raised to power minus M can be written as 1 upon A raised to power M. To making its power positive, I take the reciprocal of this number. When I take the reciprocal of this number going to numerator and this become in denominator. And the sign must be changed. Answer become 1 by 5. Okay? Clear, beta? Any doubt? Send me message. Otherwise, I want to solve its last part. Last question. Third part I want to solve. Send me message, beta, if you have any doubt in this question. No doubt. Okay, beta. No doubt. Okay.
Where are you?
Okay.
Sure.
Now I want to solve its
Speak
last
properly, बच्चे.
question number 3. I want to solve. Check from your book what is given in this question. Question number 3. This is the last question. After that, your syllabus is going to complete today. Question number 3. What is given in this question? Simplify. We have to simplify these questions. First part is 2 raised to power 2 by 3. 2 raised to power 1 by 5. Second part, 1 upon 3 raised to power 3 and power 7. I want to solve these two first. After that, I want to solve the remaining part. See, which identity I want to use? In this, I want to use this identity. First identity. See what is given. A raised to power m, a raised to power n can be written as a raised to power m plus n. And base is same. And they having multiplication sign between them. So then power must be added. So answer become a raised to power m plus n. What is a? A is 2. So write here 2. What is m? M is 2 by 3. So I write here 2 by 3. After that, plus what is n? N is 1 by 5. So I write here 1 by 5. I want to solve this. So I write 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. How will you solve it? First take their LCM. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. 3 5s are 15, 2 5s are 10. So this becomes 10. 5 3s are 15 and 3 1s are 3. So this becomes 13 upon 15. So instead of this, I want to write 2 raised to power 13 upon 15. This is the answer of this question. Okay, which identity I use? I use this first identity in this question. Now I want to solve next question. See, this is given. I want to use this identity. A raised to a upon b power m is equal to a power n, b power n. I want to use this identity in this question. What is a? 1. So I write here 1 power 7. And what is b? 3 raised to power 3. And its power also 7. Okay? I expand this. A upon b power m can be written as a raised to power m, b raised to power n. I'm using this identity. What is m? 7. What is a? 1. What is b? 3 raised to power 3. I want to write a raised to power m. 1 raised to power 7. What is b? This is b. And write b raised to power m. This is b. I write b and its power is 7. Okay? Now, 1 raised to the 7 is equal to 7. When you multiply 1 7 times, answer becomes 1. Now, I want to use which identity in this question? I want to use same identity. M into n equal to m into n. So, what is a? 3. 3 into 7 become 21. So, answer of this question become 1 upon 3 raised to power 21. Okay, beta? I hope it is clear. In the same way, you can solve it the two parts. I leave 2 parts for you. Try to solve. If you have any doubt, then ask me. Okay, from tomorrow, I want to start your revision. So I'm going to start from chapter number 6. I want to start your revision from chapter number 6. From tomorrow, I want to take your problems from this chapter. So today, you are going to revise this complete chapter. If you have any doubt from exercise 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, you can ask from me. Okay? Today's homework, revise this chapter and ask your problem from me tomorrow. Tomorrow I want to start revision and doubt. Okay? Okay, ma'am. Board is visible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I want to solve